Welcome back. In this video, we will cover page 45 of chapter 2. So starting with this one, a few things to note. We have some ties, as indicated by these ties here. So you're going to play the C and G only in the first bar. And then for the rest of the music, you're just going to hold these notes. While you're holding these notes, you're going to play the other notes at the same time. So it's going to look a little bit like this, where I play C and G. I'm going to hold it, and then my other fingers will play the notes short while I hold this. This is kind of a finger independence exercise. I'm going to go ahead and write some fingerings in here just to make it easy for myself. So this will be third finger, D will be second finger, F will be fourth finger, and then E will be third finger. Let's try this. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now third finger plays. 1, 2, 3. Second finger. 1, 2, 3. Fourth finger. 1, 2, 3. Third finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the left hand is going to do the same. This time it's going to be in D position. So again, we play the D and the A here, but then you're just going to hold it as a tie through the rest here. Third finger will be on F sharp, second finger will be on G, fourth finger will be on E, and third finger will be on F sharp. Just make sure you're ready for the F sharp. Here we go. So we're in D position 2. Here we go. 1, 2. Now third finger on F sharp, play. 1, 2, 3. Second finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On number 4, notice that these are one-handed exercises. And what we're actually doing here is we're getting used to the concept of playing one rhythm in one hand and playing a rhythm in another hand. So you'll see here that you're getting to play this first one with your non-dominant hand. So this depends on what your non-dominant hand is. If you're right-handed, you'll play this with your left hand. If you're left-handed, you'll play this with your right hand. I'm right-handed, so I'll play this with my left hand. Okay, so in this case, let's go through with my left hand. If I'm using left hand, this will be in D position. So I'll start on 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 1, 1, 3, 1, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 4, 5, 5, 2, 2, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5. If you're left-handed, then your fingerings will be 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, 5, 5, 3, 5, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1. So depending on which hand you're using. The other hand is just going to tap a quarter note, a pulse, 2, 3, 4, like that. Now you may need to go over this rhythm a little bit. You could even write in the rhythm for yourself if needed. But I'm just going to go ahead and play this for you. I'll use my left hand here, so I'm starting with third finger. We could do this hand just playing it first before you even tap the rhythm, but I'm going to show you it in combination. If it's tricky for you, just play it a few times first before you start tapping the pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Now let's take a look at the next one here. It's the same idea. Playing with your non-dominant hand the notes and tapping with your dominant hand. So again, for me, this will be my left hand. This may be your right hand if you're left-handed. So let's do the fingerings. We are in F major and we are in F position. So my left hand will be 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 1, 1, 5, 5. And if I'm right-handed, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 3, and so on and so forth, okay? Now for this one, our time signature is 2/4 time, so let's do just a little bit of the subdivisions to make sure you're clear on how to count this. So in this case, we have to subdivide 1 E and 2 and 1 and 2 and, like that. And then you have in this measure 5, 1 E and 2 E and 1 and 2 and, like that. Okay? All right, so let's try this. I'll play the example with my left hand while tapping with my right hand. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 E, or if I'm doing that, I'll go a little slower. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 E and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 E and 2 E and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Okay, I made a little mistake. Let's try it again, this time perfectly from my part. Ready, and 1 E and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 E and 2 E and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Again, if it's tricky for you, just play it a few times first with counting before you begin to tap and stuff. But it's a really great way to introduce playing with two hands at the same time with different material in either hand.